Welcome to our channel. Selling photos online is a great way to monetize your photography skills. Follow these steps to start earning from your images. Step 1. Choose the right platform for your needs. Popular options include Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images, and Etsy. Each platform has different commission structures and requirements, so research which best suits your photography style. Step 2. Prepare your photos professionally. Ensure images are high-resolution, properly edited, and free from watermarks or copyrighted elements. Most platforms require at least 4 megapixels for acceptance. Step 3. Create detailed titles and descriptions for each photo. Use relevant keywords that buyers might search for, such as location, subject matter, mood, and composition style. This increases visibility and sales potential. Step 4. Upload your photos following the platform's guidelines. Most sites have specific format requirements like JPEG or PNG and maximum file sizes. Batch uploading can save time if you have multiple images. Step 5. Set competitive pricing if the platform allows. Research similar images to understand market rates. Some platforms use credit systems while others allow you to set your own prices. Step 6. Promote your portfolio through social media and personal websites. Building a following increases direct sales and platform visibility. Consistency in uploading new content helps maintain momentum. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.